Session history is a feature of SmartHQ service that provides a detailed view of data associated with GE appliance troubleshooting sessions you have executed previously. Click Session History to view the historical data of troubleshooting sessions executed in the past. During a Bluetooth troubleshooting session, diagnostic data is captured, such as cycle history, fault codes, and alerts. This valuable data is stored in the cloud, ready for your retrieval at any time. Technicians can even upload photographs to the cloud for future reference. Session history allows access to records of historical troubleshooting sessions of appliances instantly. The feature provides all the essential historical information about a GE appliance that we can refer to while resolving a current issue. It also allows the sharing of diagnostic data and photos amongst technicians. The session history feature can also facilitate communication between a technician and the appliance owner.